All right, so continuing on with decision models, today we're going to be we're going to be including offers into our decision model. So an offer could be like a discount, or well, it's exactly what it sounds like. It's some sort of offer to this customer. So we're going to start out, we're going to go to the library tab, offer templates. We're going to create a new offer template, and let's call it discounts. And discounts for percentage off. And what would you say for like this if you want to subtract off? Sum off, percent off, and discounts and other discounts. Okay, and we're going to give it well, the first one will be percent off, and then the second one will be, what would I say if you wanted to, not a percent off, but you want to subtract 20% off, or not subtract $20 off. Let's just say discounted price. Price off, we'll call it. I don't know. I'm not sure what to call that. I'm blanking right now. Anyways, okay, and then that's our offer template. And we're going to go ahead and create some offers. We're going to create this first one. It's going to be called, this one will be called 15% off. And don't think it needs a description. It's different. And then for this one, we'll just say 15%, and price off will be 0. All right. So that's one. And let's just create another one. And then this one will be called, let's say $20 off. I think it's plenty descriptive. And so percent off would be 0, and then 20. All right, obviously you can make more, but we're just going to keep 2. And then we are going to go to our decision model. I have another variant. And then I am just going to drag the offer node over here, and I'm going to connect it to the decision table. All right, so this offer node cannot get connected to a programmable, which I thought. It has to go into the table, and you'll see how that works. All right, so before we have these suggested item outputs, but we're going to add a second column, and let's call it discounts. Okay, it's going to be an offer. And then I called the offer template is called what? Darn it, what did I call it? I called the offer template discounts. Just called discounts with a capital D. Okay. All right. And then for each one of these, I can go ahead and give it. So for home decoration, I can say 15% off. For groceries, I'm going to say 15% off. Skincare, I'm going to leave it. Fragrances, so skincare will have nothing. Fragrances will say 15% off. And then laptops would be, actually, we'll say $20 off. and 15%, and let's just say $20. All right. Okay. And then we are going to go to, let me think. Nope, we got, all right, so that is that. Okay. I think that's it, right? So remember, we have the last item is the brown perfume. We cleared that from the cart. So we should see this offer of $20 off. Let's go and test the canvas. Okay, offer is there. Price off is $20, and the percent off is 0. One thing that confused me, that threw me off a little bit here when I first did this, was I thought that $20 off was going to feed into this programmable, but that is not in the response at all. You'll see that, what did I call it? Let's just go to the table, maybe decision table, and then you'll see here that there's an output with discount, but it just has this value and then the type. It doesn't. You can't get that value here in the canvas, which was against my intuition. So what you would have to do is you would have to and I actually want to change something else. We need to put the we need the price also. We need the price, so we do not need category and brand. Actually, I think I need to put this back into draft to edit. We don't need the brand, and we just need the price. Okay, nope. Okay, price, title, description, images. Okay, and like I said, the offer is not going to be in here. We're going to get it from the variant. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's move this to prod. Okay, go to our experience and build. Okay, here we have all this. And you can see here in the data, we're getting it all fine, but we want to add, well, first I want to add that price. Okay, I'm just going to refresh this to make sure that doesn't screw anything up. Okay, did screw something up. I'm going to deal with this later. Following as we follow. No. Okay, I'll just put the price in when you're not watching. It's not worth going over right now. This has proven to be pretty picky, this free marker thing. It has to be very exact. Okay, let's just try it again. Let's make sure we're back. And then I'll show you how to get the offer. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, now if you go here to snippets, you'll see here that there's a snippet right here. And then you can just, if there's any offers, it will return the JSON of that. So put a comma here, put that in like that. Now I should see. I think I have to reload. Seems to be broken. Oh, right. What is wrong here? This comma. I don't think it likes the comma at the end. Very particular. If I put a space here, it would also not work. Let's try this. Okay. Okay, there it is. We have our title, we have our description, we have our image, and our decision offer. You can see here. Then we have $20 off, and then in the attributes you can see the price off is 20. And now I can go ahead and use this in my HTML or in my JavaScript. Okay, so that is about it for offers. I'm gonna figure out how to get that price in there. So, I'm not gonna make you watch me struggle through that. And next time we're just gonna be putting it all together, and because we have all the data we need, and we're gonna put it together and make the whole experience look a little bit more polished.